Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G60, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, which is a SIM ejector that comes provided with the device in the box. You could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and use that instead if you can find this thing. Anyway, once you have either one, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, as you can see where the pin is holding. Push the pin in and the tray pops out ever so slightly enough for you to just grab it and take it out. On the tray you'll have space for either two different SIM cards. So if you're planning to use dual SIM, you would place one of the SIM cards like this, sideways on the SD tray. But if you're planning to use one of each, just move it over. And there we go. So that's how we would place them. Make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray and then carefully insert it back into the device. There we go. The cards should start working right away. And there we go. There's the pin for my SIM card. And there is the SD card. So there we go. Both of them are working. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.